Diamonds are among the most precious and rare gemstones found in nature. They are composed of pure carbon that has been subjected to extreme heat and pressure deep within the earth. Because rough diamonds often resemble other minerals such as quartz or zircon, many people resort to simple field tests to verify authenticity before professional evaluation. One of the traditional yet dangerous methods used is the cutting water test, which aims to determine the stone's hardness and resistance to chemical reactions. 1. What is cutting water? Cutting water is a common term used in some regions to describe strong corrosive acids, often hydrofluoric acid HF, or sometimes a mixture of nitric and sulfuric acids, known as aqua fortis or acid water. These acids can dissolve glass, quartz, and most minerals. However, because diamond is the hardest known natural material, ranked 10 on the Mohs hardness scale, it remains unaffected by such substances. This chemical resistance is why people have historically used cutting water to test whether a stone is genuine diamond. Step 2. The scientific principle behind the test. The concept is based on a simple fact. Diamonds do not react with most acids or bases, even at high temperatures. Other stones, like glass, quartz, or zircon, are chemically altered or corroded when exposed to strong acids. Therefore, if a raw stone remains intact in cutting water, it may be a diamond. If it shows any reaction such as bubbling, color change, or erosion, it is likely not. 3. How to test a raw diamond with cutting water. Open quote. Warning, this procedure is extremely dangerous. Cutting water acid can cause severe burns, blindness, or toxic inhalation. It should only be performed in a professional laboratory with proper safety equipment and ventilation. Close quote. Materials needed. A glass or ceramic acid-resistant container, a small amount of cutting water, hydrofluoric or nitric acid, metal tongs or tweezers resistant to corrosion, safety goggles, acid-proof gloves, and protective clothing. Steps 1. Carefully place the raw stone in the acid-resistant container using the tongs. 2. Slowly pour a small amount of cutting water over the stone. 3. Step back and observe from a safe distance for several minutes. Observation: if the stone shows no reaction, no bubbles, discoloration, or erosion, it may be a real diamond. If the stone starts to fizz, dissolve, or change color, it is not a diamond. 4. Limitations of the cutting water test. Although this test has been used for generations, it is neither safe nor scientifically reliable. Some of its major drawbacks include serious health and safety risks due to acid exposure. Some synthetic or very hard materials may also resist acids, giving false positives. The test can damage valuable stones. It cannot confirm the quality or authenticity of a diamond with certainty. 5. Safer and more accurate alternatives. Modern gemology provides several reliable and non-destructive ways to identify diamonds. 1. Reflection and light test. Real diamonds reflect both white and coloured light uniquely. 2. Fog test. When you breathe on a diamond, it won't fog up, unlike glass or quartz. 3. Scratch test. A real diamond can scratch glass easily without getting scratched. 4. UV or microscope examination. Laboratories use ultraviolet light and magnification to confirm internal structures unique to diamonds. Expert recommendation. Gem experts strongly advise against using chemical or home-based methods to test raw diamonds. The only accurate and safe way to confirm a diamond's authenticity is to have it examined by a certified gemological laboratory, such as GIA, HRD, or IGI, which can provide a verified certificate describing its properties, grade, and origin. Conclusion. Testing raw diamonds with cutting water is an old, risky, and unreliable method that originated from the diamond's legendary resistance to chemicals. However, in today's world of advanced gemology, such practices are considered obsolete and hazardous. To protect both the stone and yourself, it's best to rely on scientific, non-destructive testing performed by professionals. Diamonds are nature's hardest treasures, but distinguishing the real from the imitation requires knowledge, precision, and safety, not dangerous chemistry.